Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by adding your Google account to the iPhone so contacts can flow in. Go to Settings, tap Contacts, then Accounts and choose Add Account. Select Google, sign in with the account holding your contacts, and grant contacts permission. Once done, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on for that account. This step tells iOS to fetch and merge entries. It also preserves groups and labels from Google when possible, so your contact structure remains recognizable. After the account is added, confirm sync options to control what arrives. In Settings, right arrow Contacts, right arrow Accounts, tap the Google account and switch contacts on. The device will start downloading. If you prefer new contacts to default to Google, set default account back in Contact Settings. For advanced scenarios, use card DAV or exchange protocols. This helps when corporate policies restrict IMAP. Make sure sync is allowed in background app refresh, so updates push without manual refresh. Finish by verifying your Contacts app shows the imported Google list and groups. Open Contacts, pull the list down to refresh, and inspect a few records for photos and secondary numbers. If contacts are missing, toggle Contacts off and on for the Google account to force a resync. Restart the iPhone if that fails. As a key troubleshooting tip, ensure you're viewing the correct account filter in Contacts and reauthorize the Google account if permission errors occur.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.